Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I am back to polish my nails of the week. I was taking a break from my tips due to that pinky nail that I had nail polish stuck under, had split really bad, but it's doing better now. All the polishes seem to be out of it. You can see it's a little uneven, but the split did mend back. I had to file it down. You know, it's a little looking like a little heel right now, but it's doing a lot better than it was. They were kind of like just brittle and just I needed a break. But it's been, I think, a couple weeks or so it's time to go ahead and do something to them. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my tips. I feel like it's blurry. Hold on. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use my gelish tips. And I'm not going to do them too long because I'm probably going to be doing my hair soon, and I don't want to have them too long while I'm doing that. But I'm gonna go ahead and use one or two of my Madam Glam colors from the new Madam Glam gels that I just got. I have a base coat and a top coat here to use. I'm going to try using the little Madam Glam gel lamp. And I'm going to pick one or two of the colors to use. I would do all three, but the pink is very bright, and I don't think it's going to look very good with this teal color. So I might do like pink and blue or something. I'm not sure. And just in case I end up just doing all one color, I have this sitting to the side. It's like, it looks just like it does on the front. If I can, there you go. On the front here is just like little dots. I was thinking of putting on top, or just doing some glitter. And both of these are from AliExpress. So I have that here. I have my nail glue and my non-acid primer, cleanup brush, alcohol pad, cuticle oil. I have my nail cutter. I have my Twixie hinge, and I also have my Flash Cure little flashlight just in case I need it for when I'm applying these. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get these out, get them sized out, and apply these, get them cut down, and then I'll figure out what polish color I'm going to use and go ahead and get started. Y'all, so I have them all glued on. I cut them really short. As you can see, this is the shortest I've cut them. My little nail clipper, it goes down to a 1, and so I went ahead and used the 1 and cut it because like I said, I want them short because I'm probably going to braid my hair, and I'm going to need you know, them not to be so long. So they are very short, but I like them. I need to cut this one, I think, a little more. Or actually, I can probably file it. So yeah, I just need to make sure that they're all the same length. File them. The nail clipper I have is usually pretty good with making them all the correct length. It looks like I just might have forgot to cut this one. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with polishing them. So I definitely want to use this blue. It's so pretty. And also the pink. I usually always do one nail a different color or two. So I'm not too sure what I'm going to do just yet, but as I go, I'm gonna decide. That's like how I always do. I really need to start deciding what I want to do before I start recording. I'm really bad at that. I always wait till I start recording and then just decide as I go. But like I showed you guys before, I had this little speckled top coat, and then I have a glitter in case I wanted to do that. Not sure. My alcohol, I'm going to use the lamp that Madam Glam also sent me with the kit to cure the polish. I used it to cure the gel nails, and they're on there really good because I bent this one back and it didn't budge at all. Just my finger was red underneath because it would not move, and it almost felt like it was ripping off my real nails. So they're on there nice and tight. So I'm just going to clean them up a little bit and go ahead and get started. We have my base coat on. And I'm going to start polishing. I'm going to start with the blue. So this one is Madam Glam, and this one is called Maddie. It's really pretty. I have a lot of lint on there because I just got up and touched something. So I am going to wipe that off. I'm gonna get an alcohol wipe and get this lint off the other nails before I keep going. So I wanna, I'm gonna do one nail pink now because I wanna see what color I wanna use most of, because I may do one pink, one blue. So I wanna see what color I like best. So far, I'm loving this blue, and they might all be mostly that color, but let's see. Let's see. Okay, so these are cured. Like I said, I got lint on this one. I tried to wipe off the other nails, so that won't happen to the rest, but this is just one coat so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep going. I think I'm gonna do mostly blue. I'm gonna do 2 pink on one hand and the rest blue.
Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers.
Alright, y'all, so I am done with the first coat, and I'm gonna go ahead and cure it. So what I did was, you can only fit the 4 fingers under here. So while I'm curing this hand, I was thinking of using my little mini flash cure flashlight to cure my thumb since it won't fit under the lamp. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure this, and then work on the second coat.
Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too.
Done putting both coats, 2 coats on each hand. I'm just gonna have to go through and like file a little bit of like the glue that kind of ran down, so it won't look so weird in some of the spots. But other than that, I'm all done. The only thing I have to do next is the top coat. Why is this on? And I think I'm gonna do the speckled. I was going to go ahead and bring out my foil, but I forgot that I still have to do my feet. I was doing a pedicure, and I have on this exfoliating foot treatment mask. If you guys watch my shorts video, I showed opening this and what it looks like, and I have those on. You have to keep them on 60 to 90 minutes, so I decided to keep them on while I was doing my nails. It's time to take them off now, and I have to do all of that, so I just want to hurry up and get this done. So for now, I'm just gonna do I don't know if I'm gonna do all of them with this. I'm gonna test it on one and see what it looks like. I was gonna do the glitter, but I feel like I do glitter all the time. Let me see what it looks like. If this one is glitter, I think it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm gonna do something different. Stick with the speckles. And then I'm gonna cure it and then put the top coat on. So let's see what it looks like here on one of the fingers.
Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days.
It's cute. It's kind of hard to spread them around, but it's cute. I might do all of them if I can get it to come off. That's cute. I like that. I think I'm gonna do all of them. Let's do it.
Rose color on my cheeks, yeah, I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are, let's dance until dawn.
I did not get to record much of me putting on the speckle top coat because my phone ran out of memory, but this is the finished product. I think it looks really cute like this. I love the way it turned out. Really cute. I like the colors. They're nice, bright, shiny. Polish is nice and smooth. I am loving the Madam Glam. Don't forget, you guys, I do have a 30% off discount code for the Madam Glam. I will leave it in the description of this video, and the link as well to where you guys can order you some Madam Glam and get you some beautiful colors for 30% off. That's a great deal, I think. So yeah, I really love their polish. It's really nice. I'm loving these colors. So the next color I have to use is the Blair Waldorf, the Gossip Girl. Will be the next one that I try out, but so far love it. I think it looks really cute. Little speckled look on it, the pink and the blue. So yeah, y'all, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, I would love if you can subscribe, and make sure you guys give this video a like and turn on your notifications so you guys will know when I upload my next video. All right, bye y'all, have a good day.